Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 11 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 5 Arithmetic Progression. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 5.3, question number 3, fifth. Given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, find A and A9. Okay. Solution. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore S9 is given. S9 is equal to 9 upon 2 into bracket 2a plus 8 into 5 is equal to 75, and therefore 2a plus 40 is equal to 2a plus 40 is equal to, this you transfer on this side, 75 into 2 upon 9 is equal to 25 upon 3 into 2 is equal to 50 upon 3. Now 2a is equal to, and therefore 2a is equal to 50 upon 3 minus 40 is equal to, if you simplify this, you will get minus 70 upon 3, and hence a is equal to minus 70 upon 3 into 1 upon 2, and therefore a is equal to minus 35 upon 3. So you know a. Now an is equal to, now you know an is equal to a plus 8d, and therefore minus this a minus 35 upon 3 plus 8 into 5, and is equal to minus 35 upon 3 plus 40. If you simplify this, you will get 85 upon 3, and therefore an is equal to 85 upon 3. Question number 6. Given a is equal to 2, d is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, find n and an. Now Sn is given, therefore use formula Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore n upon 2 into bracket 4 plus n minus 1 into 8 is equal to 90, and therefore n is equal to, these two you transfer on this side, n into bracket 4 plus 10 minus 8 is equal to 90 into 2, and therefore n into bracket 8n minus 4 is equal to 180, and therefore 8n square minus 4n is equal to 180. Dividing throughout by 4, 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. And now this is a quadratic equation. Solve this equation so that you will get n. So 2n square minus, I split up 45 into 2, that is 90, such that subtraction is equal to 1. So factors are what? 10 and 9. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0, and therefore 2n, here I take common 2n into bracket n minus 5 plus 9, here I take 9 common into bracket n minus 5 is equal to 0. n minus 5, 2n plus 9, these two are factors of what? This quadratic equation is equal to 0, and therefore n minus 5 is equal to 0, or 2n plus 9 is equal to 0, and therefore n is equal to 5, or n is equal to minus 9 upon 2, but n is never what? It is a natural number, so it is never negative, and therefore n is equal to 5. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and therefore 2 plus n minus 1 into d. So n a5 is equal to 2 into 4. 2 plus 4 into 8 gives you 34, and hence a5 is equal to 34. Okay. Question number 7. A8, A is equal to 8, AN is equal to 62, SN is equal to 210, find N and D. Solution. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, N is equal to 62, and therefore 8 plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 62, and therefore n minus 1 d is equal to 54. This is statement number 1. Then Sn given, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 210, and therefore n upon 2 into bracket 16 plus 54 is equal to 210, and therefore n upon 2 into 70 is equal to 210, and therefore n is equal to, this you simplify, is equal to 210 into 2 upon 70, give divisions, so is equal to 6, and therefore n is equal to 6. This value you substitute in equation number 1. So substituting n is equal to n is equal to 6 in equation number 1, 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 54, and therefore d is equal to 54 upon 5. Okay. Question number 8. Given an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14, find n and a. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4 given, and therefore a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to 4, and therefore a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4, and therefore a is equal to minus 2n plus 6, equation number 1. Now Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 14 given, and therefore n into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to, these two you transfer on this side, so it is equal to minus 28, and therefore n into bracket 2a plus this and this to simplify, 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28, and now here you substitute value a is equal to minus 2n plus 6, so that you will get n. N into bracket minus 4n plus 12 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 28, and therefore n into bracket 10 minus 2n is equal to minus 28, and therefore 2n into bracket 5 minus n is equal to minus 28, and therefore n into bracket 5 minus n is equal to, these two you transfer on this side, minus 14, and therefore 5n minus n square is equal to minus 14, therefore n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Solve this equation to find n, and therefore n minus 7 and n plus 2 is equal to 0, and therefore n is equal to 7, or n minus 7 is equal to 0, or n plus 2 is equal to 0, and therefore n is equal to 7, or n is equal to minus 2. So n is equal to minus 2 is not possible as n is a natural number and hence n is equal to 7. Substituting n is equal to 7 in equation number 1, a is equal to minus 2 into bracket 7 plus 6. So minus 14 plus 6 is equal to minus 8 and hence a is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now these two examples are slightly complicated. So you go through this video again so that you understand. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.